Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 5. This week, you just have your first paper due. So what I'm looking for you guys to do is to take the feedback that you got in your peer review, make revisions based on the critiques that you got that you agree with. Just because somebody offered you a suggestion does not mean that you have to take it. You're the writer, so you get to decide that. But you should consider everything that was offered up to you. Okay? Once you have done that, make those revisions, and then really consider sending your writing either to BrainFuse or to the Learning Commons or to both, just to get more feedback on your writing. Don't send the same version that you put in peer review. Make revisions, make it better, and then send that for some online review. If you want to access that, over on the left-hand side in the navigation pane, you'll see where it says online tutoring. If you click on that, it'll direct you where you can either go to PC Learning Commons or you can go to BrainFuse, or you can do both and get that feedback, okay? Send it, get more feedback, make more revisions, run it through Grammarly. Remember that Grammarly, if you go into the modules at the top, you'll see directions on how to get a premium version of Grammarly. The PC English department is paid for you to have access to that, and so if you have your own device, you can download it onto your computer and it will check your grammar all the time. Or if you can't do that, you can set up an account and you can upload it to Grammarly, and it'll go through and really catch a lot of those little picky grammatical errors. But basically, there's just lots of steps in place to make sure that the paper you turn in to me by the end of the week is the best quality paper that you are able to produce. Okay, so you're going to focus on that this week, just revisions and editing and getting feedback and revisions and editing, and you're just going to keep going until it's time to turn it in. Okay, I just wanted to give you guys also a heads up that I'm going to be out of town for a couple of days this week. I'm going to go to the Grand Canyon and go hike the Grand Canyon. So for those of you that have been up there, you'll know that phone service is spotty if it works at all, which my phone never works when I'm up there. So I'm going to be unavailable to like answer messages and emails and that kind of stuff from about Monday afternoon until about Wednesday afternoon. But I'm not leaving you out in the cold. If you have a question or if you need help with anything, I want you to contact Laurel Smith. I'm going to put her contact information into this announcement, and you can either email her or you can message her through Canvas. Laurel is somebody that has worked with me for a year. She was my student for 2 years. She took Honors English 101 and 102 from me. She took literature courses from me. She's been my student for years, and then after that she came and worked for me as my student success specialist, where she helped support these classes. And she'd still be doing it if I hadn't hired her into another position this semester. But basically, she knows me, she knows my classes, she knows my style, and so she can answer questions. If you want her to look at your citations, if you want her to look at certain parts of your paper, just reach out to her and she can help you. Okay, so you're welcome to send me messages, but just know that I won't be able to receive them or reply to them for a period of time. And so I would really encourage you to reach out to her unless it can wait until Wednesday afternoon, in which case I'll get back to you then. Okay, so that's about it. I hope that the semester's going great for you so far. I hope that everybody's finding time to like still have some fun. I know that this is going to be really good for me to get out of town for a couple of days. And I hope to come back just with a bright perspective on the planet, considering, you know, how crazy things are. But I'm really enjoying interacting with you guys. I'm enjoying reading your stuff. And that's it. I hope that you have a great week, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.